This is a mini lesson for how to say two things in Irish Gaelic to get you started. So the first thing is how to say hello when you meet somebody on the street. So when you meet that person, all you say is Gia Chuich. Those are two words, maybe a little hard for you to say right now, but there they are. Gia Chuich. So that's how you say hello. The second thing I'll teach you now is how to say what your name is. So since my name is Owen, I'll say Owen is Anim Dum. That's the expression for how to say my name is Owen. Owen is Anim Dum. So take for example, if your name was Jennifer, you could say Jennifer is Anim Dum. Jennifer is Anim Dum. So now you already know how to say two things in Irish Gaelic. Don't stop now, because we have over 60 online bite-sized Irish Gaelic lessons for you to take right now today. To learn more, click on the big button right under this video.